Let's make some poinsettias to deck up our houses this winter, and this is all Christmassy and bright, right? So today is day 2 of Crafty December. Our prompt for today is using felt. This is a collaboration with another artist, handmade by Ranjita. Please look into the channel. And this is Manasa here from Upcycle. So I begin with die cutting these leaves. It is a die from Mudra Craft Stamps. It is cut 3 stamps. So I've cut the big and small leaves from the felt. So this is how they look. Cut as many as you want. Basically we'll first dye a little. So you can either use a brush and slowly dye it, or just dab with your finger and swipe over the ink pad like so. I found swiping over the ink pad a much easier process because felt doesn't take the dyeing so easily. So I started to dye and give a little shade to the already cut leaves. Poinsettias are basically leaves which are flower like. They are initially green and then they turn into red over the winters. Isn't that fun thing to learn? So I really like this bright color leaves slash flowers. Poinsettias are so beautiful and festive, and they are all Christmassy, don't you think? So I think I'm done dyeing about 6 large leaves and 6 smaller leaves. Now carefully fold them into half. Here you can either press them hard like so, creating a crease, or you can iron them so that they would be stiff and they wouldn't open back. I am carefully pressing them into half and giving it some pressure to crease them into half. They kind of give a little dimension to the leaves. It's a very easy process and a quick DIY. Here I've used a die to cut the leaves, but you can as well use hand trim them into shape. So I finished creasing all of them. Now it's time to assemble. From the same felt, I am cutting a little circle. This would act as a base for my flower. Make sure you're using the same color felt for this, because while you attach the petals there would be some spaces from where the bottom would be seen. So I'm using the same color felt here, and then using a hot glue gun, quickly sticking all the larger petals first. Probably we would need 5 to 6 petals. Please be careful while assembling this, and be careful with the hot glue. It is pretty hot and you might burn your fingers. I'm using a very soft felt to create a little banner. You can use harder felt so that everything would stay in place. So now in between those 5 petals, I'm quickly sticking some smaller ones. The flower is already starting to take its place. So it need not be even. They are randomly. You can randomly arrange them. So I think I'm happy with the shape. This is quite natural looking here, so I'm leaving it right there. Now I'm using Mudra decor stones. They are artisanals, lightweight stones for mixed media. I'm using them to add a little pollen like thing at the center. Again, please make sure you're securing your fingers because the glue is pretty hot and it's not easy to work with. If the kids are attempting, please adults kindly help the kids to stick them together. And there it is done. Now it's time to add some leaves to the flower. I'm taking a bright green felt and I'm cutting cherry leaves because I wanted to add some festive look to that. So using a marker, I'm quickly marking a little serrated cherry leaf here. Actually, the poinsettia leaves look same like the red petals. Since I already told, the green petals turn into red or orange during winters. So just to add a little twist to that, I'm using cherry shaped leaf and it looks pretty festive to me. So I've marked my leaf. Now I'm carefully cutting the green felt into shape. You might need 1 or 2 leaves to make a quick assembly. It is fun to make a lot of these flowers. They are very quick and easy, and you can probably add a twine and make it into a string or add lights to it. They would look very festive and bright. I hope you enjoyed this quick little DIY with felt. Hop on to Ranjita's channel as well. The link is in the description box. And I'm sure you would enjoy her project as well. It is make sure you're commenting below the video for a chance to win some amazing goodies from both of us. Until the next video tomorrow, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. In case you like this quick DIY, I have a lot of quick and easy techniques and DIYs over my channel that you can attempt. Please subscribe to my channel if you love them. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Happy Christmas.